Welcome to my see one more beautiful Mysore silkies here with so grand Benaras borders are here. Three different shades andi. Maroon, green and yellow color combination to chala pretty undi and three different weaving part kuda and so grandly contrasting Benarasi pallu is here and saree throughout kuda manki weaving booty anedi run avutundi golden jerry booty and saree all over so pretty pitch white concept, beautiful lotus and beautiful bird concept to and fabric aithe chaala softness undi, so classic color combination also and pleats are very neatly and color vachesi one of beige color combination. Ilanti colors anni chaala classness vastundi and open chuddam. Blouse vachesi contrast blouse with self print and hands ki border vastundandi. Idi vachesi blouse dark shade to blouse. Color combinations chala pretty unnai, new concept, new prints. Have a look. Welcome to YC. So grandeur collection to YC is back with the most beautiful collection andi. Borders are very highlight for saree. Benarasi borders 3 shades run avutundi, maroon, red and black. Andulo kuda 3 different jerry weaving anedi run avutundi and both side borders are here. Have a look. And so pretty pitch white concept anamata, kalankari print and saree mottam kuda manaki ila booty vachestundandi, golden jerry booty. Have a look. And very grand contrasting pallu, Benarasi pallu and Mysore crepe silk is here with so pretty color combinations and pleats so softy andi, chaala grand ga undi collection aithe. And manam indulo blouse chuseddam. Blouse kuda chaala pretty ga undi. Color vachesi black and blouse is here. Here is the blouse, same color combination to so beautifully print anedi run avutundi. Ido vachesi blouse with hand ki border part and have a look. Saree all over so pretty andi, chaala baagundi, chaala grand ga undi. Have a look. Welcome to YC. One more beautiful Mysore crepe silk lo chuseddam. Color e chaala highlight andi for saree, lilac color combination with the so pretty pen kalankari patta chitras andi. Saree mottam kuda patta chitra run avutundi, so pretty ga, so unique ga and very cute Benarasi borders and ido chesi 3 shades run avutundi, green, blue and maroon. Andulone 3 different weaving vastundi anamata, idokati 3 different. And pallu is here so grandly and very highlight patta chitras and chinna booty weaving anedi run avutundi. Saree throughout kuda so grand, so classy and very neatly pleats and blouse chuseddam. Perfect collection andi, manam festival time lo alage functions ki chaala baaguntundi anamata. Fabric chaala softness undi, so manam day anta kuda happy ga drape cheyochu. And here is the blouse, self print to contrasting and sleeves border and ivi sarees ke kadandi, lehengas kuda manam set chesukovachu. Anta baagundi fabric kani, quality wise kani, so premium quality. Seriously, I just love this collection. Have a look.